What are the factors, to feel that breakdown or meltdown? And as a teenager or someone who is good, like how that person can identify कि हाँ मेरे साथ ये हो रहा है, because lot of them are not even accepting. It could be like हाँ I'm just feeling low. That's it.
Right. So when it comes to the teenagers, again, the adolescents, um, there is different ways that they understand the information that they are getting. So first of all, if we talk about the physical symptoms, I'll give an example. So there's this one girl, let us name her Bhavya, okay? So she had come to me and then she said, Ma'am, I'm not feeling very good. I'm feeling as if I'm feeling it's very heavy near my chest. And I feel like crying. I've become very sensitive, which I was never that sensitive earlier. So I'm really not understanding, and then I really want to come out of it. And my exams are nearing now, so it's all the more important for me not to be in this state. So the background of Bhavya was she's an excellent student, very good in her sports and other activities, has very good friend circle. Okay. So she being a very good student, there was a lot of parental pressure that you need to achieve, you need to get to these grades, and then this is what you can do. Matlab aankhon ka tara and all. The teachers also see her as one of the best students of their school who can get good accolades as well to the school, because ये अगर आ जाती है, she's in a 12th standard, if she gets school first या ऐसा कुछ आ गया, so the name of the school also, they will get a lot of recognition. And third, the expectation from herself that I have to perform, otherwise it is then what, there is no ifs and buts for her. Like my performance has become her identity. Now the performance becomes identity, she started taking in a lot of pressure, not understanding what is happening around, why is this happening. Slowly she shifted into social media because she just wanted to avoid that pressure, because obviously she's not getting to understand it. So once she got onto the social media, there is something called as new word that we start using, that is called as highlight reels. Okay, highlight reel effect. So highlight reel effect is whenever we these teenagers open the social media, they see that everyone and around they know, or the people that they are seeing, their life is so perfect, but they don't understand that there is a lot of difference between the real life and the curated real life. But she started associating with it and then taking a lot of pressure that people are like, they're achieving this, they're achieving that, I'm not able to do anything right now. But again has put in a lot of pressure, and emotionally she started experiencing a lot of irritation and frustration. So that is slowly has led her to having this feeling of, I'm not able to do anything, I'm not good enough. So it is very important for the teenagers to understand what is happening right now, because it is not something that that is going to be there for a very long time. They know what is happening, but they just doesn't know how to handle that situation. That is the stage of teenagers.
Then how can we help, or how parents can help?
So as parents, we need to understand that this overloading of information is something that is disturbing our kids. That is, at that point of time, therapy is not the one that is going to help, or counseling. They just need some guidance. They need help in understanding their emotions, acknowledging them, and at the same time giving that space. So just think about it कि for a student, जैसे भव्या का एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं, if she is not able to score good marks, वो आती है मार्क्स के साथ, that is very disastrous for her. वो आती है पेरेंट्स के सामने, and then parents are like, how can you get such low marks, and then तुम इतना अच्छा कर सकती हो, maybe because of that you did not perform, because of that you did. So they are giving a lot of information to her, and at that point of time, that is not what she requires. As a parent, you need to be there and then react in a way, and then make them calm first. The child who is coming to the parent has to feel calm, quiet and settled. Just a small example, अगर बच्चों को भागते हुए हम लोग देखते हैं, as soon as they fall down, वो पहले आपके अगर पेरेंट फिगर वहाँ पे रहते तो उनके तरफ देखते हैं कि हाउ शुड आई एक्सप्रेस दिस, हाउ डू आई प्रोसेस दिस इमोशन नाउ. एज एन एज वी से, दो हम लोग के अंदर डर लगा रहता है कि भाई कुछ तो हुआ है, बट वी से एवरीथिंग इज फाइन, ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है, एंड बच्चा ऑल्सो स्टार्ट्स फीलिंग ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है, राइट? So that is the same thing that we need to use with teenagers. As a parent, you need to understand what is bothering them. Instead of exaggerating the situation in front of them, try to make them feel that situation is there, it is okay, we shall handle it together,
Yes.
and give them that space to do it.